Well, offshore wind development has become a reality in Europe and China. Now researchers are helping to pave the way for offshore wind development on the Great Lakes. According to a new study, Lake Erie could be a prime location for new wind turbines. Meteorologist Ross Allett shows us what that could look like.
Well, right now the surface of the water is calm, but in the decades to come, you could look out over the water and see thousands of wind turbines. That could be good or bad, depending on who you ask. Researchers at Cornell University have spent the last 2 years working on a project funded by the Department of Energy and the National Science Foundation. It is called the Great Lakes Wind Atlas, and it maps out the wind patterns on the lakes.
So hopefully by providing resources like the Wind Atlas, we can help the industry move forward a bit faster.
The Great Lakes are a very good site for potential wind energy development offshore, especially Lake Erie, because it has very low depths.
Now energy companies could explore the idea of placing thousands of wind turbines directly into the lake.
Our position is that it's only one part of the equation, and we've got to do a much better job of assessing the real impact to birds and bats.
Kimberly Kaufman and Mark Shieldcastle research migratory birds along Lake Erie with the Black Swamp Bird Observatory.
In the past decade or so, we've come to the realization that the air column is a habitat. Many of these birds spend a good portion of their life in that column.
There's a reason why those birds are passing through this corridor. If we push them out, that's habitat destruction.
Those birds bring in lots of green in the spring by providing a $37 million boost to the local economy by attracting 75,000 tourists from across the world. But wind development could also boost the local economy.
It would be good if this project of wind energy in the Great Lakes could be pushed forward so that Ohio can be one of the pioneers in offshore wind energy in the United States.
However, bird researchers say not so fast.
It's primarily about concern about bird safety and the populations of birds, but also we live and work in this. It's about the quality of life for people that live on this lake.
Reporting along Lake Erie, Ross Allett, 13 ABC Action News.